Hello guys, how are you? My name is Ioannis Elias from PFE Stock Investment Trading Advisor. Today we will see again the Pfizer stock because we have more episodized before. As we can see here, here. Now the stock, as I was predicted you the previous time, the was is accumulated at this support line. This is support line, uptrend support line from here. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times in a row strong support at this uptrend support line. We had here double top, as I told you the previous time, and now the stock price, the candles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times here found the resistance on 200 days moving average, and now as we can see the 20 moving average crossed down to the 50-day moving average, and now the stock will have a double resistance, the 200 moving average and the 21 moving average here. If the market give us a soaring, we will have this move until here or here, or in otherwise, if the CPI today is bad, we will have a sell-off again. We will see a lower price to 40 to 45 per share. It's a very crucial point. For the more soaring is difficult, but if the general market have a power strength, we will see these territories, in otherwise to $45 per cent. Until then, thank you for your watching us.